Hey guys, Leah here from Unbox, and I'm excited for this video because we got this package from Asus. It says calling all Pinkaholics, so I asked a Pinkaholic friend from the industry to join us and help us unbox. So Unbox fam, let's welcome Cam.
Hi! So first of all, I would like to thank Unbox for inviting me here. I'm Kang Dupet. I do streaming, content creation, and cosplaying as well. So
Saan naka-cosplay ka when you play?
I'm shy.
I don't believe that. Anyway, let's get to it and let's see what Asus has for us. Okay, 1, 2. Ooh!
It's all pink.
You wanna read this? Meron silang love letter for us.
Love letter. Hey Pinkaholics, we're giving a big shout out to all the gamers like you with a passion for pink. Pink.
Pinag-usapan guys.
Yes.
Oh, no, sorry. It just happened.
Na-pink yung pink natin today. Okay, new limited edition unlimited charm gaming gears. The ROG Pink Limited lets you boldly express your gaming lifestyle and equips you with the best weapons to win on the battlefield.
Okay.
So, mostly nakalagay dito yung products na i-unbox natin.
Let's not show them first.
Okay.
Tignan natin what's here. Para suspense. Okay. Meron silang veil of pink. And oh, cool. Sige nga, can you fit it? Tingnan mo.
Let's try this on.
Okay, so it comes with a jacket.
That's
Oh,
it.
diba?
Yeah.
Legit nga.
Mhm.
This is legit, guys.
Let's open this.
It smells good.
Yeah.
It smells like cologne.
It smells new and it smells like perfume.
There
This is
you
how
go.
it looks
So,
like.
legit
With
jacket.
gray accent and white.
Very nice. Very
Okay.
girly, if I may say so. But wait, before we get to that, this is so funny.
There's snacks.
There's, everything pink. There's dairy nuts, there's marshmallows, and even markers.
What else? Oh, there's a Bogo Bogo pink Bogo Bogo.
Okay, thank you, Asus. Yeah, I guess. Binuksan. anyway, ito na, the star of the show. Shall we start with, anong gusto mo unahin, Kang?
The smallest one.
Okay.
So, the mouse. Ta-da!
Ooh,
Unbox
okay.
it. Come on.
Okay. But you're the gamer. Alright.
Okay.
So this is the ROG Gladius 2 Origin Pink Limited. Actually, why don't we show them everything that's
Oh, yeah.
inside? Kasi it's a big package. I guess
Wait.
you're wondering what's inside.
There's the cap.
That's not in pink, but I guess to break the look.
Okay. Let's set this aside.
And you also have, wow, what's it? This is the
ROG Strix Fusion 300 Pink Limited.
nice. So,
Oh! There's a notebook and the
hello Panda.
So many snacks. Okay, next is ROG. Wow, this is heavy. ROG Sheath Pink Limited.
So
This
it's
is
like the mouse pad.
Yeah, extended mouse pad they have.
That's a
so
sort of
big.
extended mouse pad.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's next?
Alright. This is the last one here, guys. This is, wow, pang workout.
I'll help you. Okay, there.
This is the, what is it?
ROG Strix Flare Pink
Limited. Okay.
So I think
We
need
can
to set
clear the
this.
table a bit, yeah.
Let's remove the box first.
Okay, guys, so let's unbox everything one by one. Can, would you do the honors?
Okay, so first off, we have here the ROG Sheath Pink Limited, and let's open it right now. Okay, wow, it's big! It's so big! It's not like just the normal extended mousepad we have.
Table runner. I'm kidding.
Table runner. Okay, so this is the mousepad.
Good.
And it,
Actually, I like it that the main color is gray, so
Gray.
it's not so glaring. But
Yeah.
this is a nice touch. Uy, may mga Japanese characters.
Yes,
Badass in pink.
yeah.
Badass.
I think they chose gray as the main color of the mat para hindi siya madumihan agad. Kasi if
Good point.
pink siya, mas makikita yung dumi
Yeah.
pag nadumihan. Also, they have rubber, anti-slip rubber underneath para pag
Sorry lang.
Ay,
Yeah.
Di ba yung table yung wala? Not the mousepad itself.
Nice.
I really appreciated that it's big kasi you put the keyboard here. It is so big. Then the mouse. And also, it is this long kasi merong mga gamers na hindi lang ganito gumalaw. Depende sa DPI nila, sa speed ng mousepad nila.
Okay.
Minsan may ganun talaga yung galaw.
Oh my gosh,
Kaya
okay.
there's this extended mousepad. So that's why I really appreciated that it's this long.
So it's not just for aesthetic purposes, it really affects your performance with
Yes.
gaming. Okay.
Okay, next. What's next?
Okay, let's do this. Kanina ko pa ito gusto makita.
Yung headset.
Yeah.
So big. I'm a fan of big headsets dahil medyo malaki yung tenga ko. And I like it comfy pag sobrang fluffy ng ano. So, let's unbox this and let's see.
Alright, I was worried it wasn't supposed to do that. And here it is.
Let's try that. Oh.
Okay,
There's
it's
something
cable.
underneath.
Okay. Braided yung cable, so that's good.
Braided cables, then the documents, and then it's extender, I think. Oh, this is the USB.
Okay. Again, this is the ROG Strix Fusion 300 Pink Limited.
You try it out.
I'll try it on. Does it say left and right? Ayan, tama.
There you go. How is it?
I don't know if this is am I screaming that? I don't know if this is supposed to be noise cancelling, but it gives me that impression.
Is it heavy or?
A bit heavier than usual, but you know, for the color, I'm willing to take on anyway.
because it's pink.
But it's comfortable. It's really soft, and even here on top, it's very comfortable to wear. Flexible naman.
Where's the mic?
It's supposed to be able. It's for gaming. It should
there.
have a mic, right? There you go.
Okay, there's two wire inside.
I think you should put it on because it goes
yeah,
with
fine.
your entire get.
Oh yeah.
Diba? Guys, in case you don't know, si Kang streams her games.
Yeah,
So,
I stream like 8 hours a day. So
are you serious?
yeah, so I really need a very comfortable headset kasi may mga headset na malaki pero mabigat. Ay, magaan siya.
Aha.
So, masarap siya sa feeling. Pero there are headsets na ang sikip, tapos as in mabigat dito, so sumasakit agad yung ulo ko. I think, medyo heavy nga itong
It's on the
headset
heavy
na to.
side.
Though, I like the color.
Yes.
Anyway.
The sound isolation is pretty good, no? So
So
there. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys, this one is, the sheath is 2,050 pesos. And then this one is 6,550 pesos. Sorry, may kodigo ako sa price just to make sure I'm saying the right thing.
I think they have LED here, white LED, or to accent the color and stuff. Okay, so we have here the extended mousepad, we have here the headset, and next the ROG
Gladius 2 Origin Pink Limited. Okay.
Show it like so that's this.
And again, it goes with the whole gray and pink combo. Ang ganda siguro nito pag naka-set up. You can imagine that.
Especially it matches the white build. If you have a white build PC, white with gray linings and pink LEDs. Wow.
Perfect talaga.
Perfect. And actually yung dream PC ko kaya. Perfect to sa next build ko. If ever. Okay, so we have here the documents and there's a sticker.
Sticker.
ROG sticker, but it's hard.
It's like rubberized.
I'm not sure what this is for. Okay, we'll see later.
We'll find out.
Oh, it has a bag.
Nice.
Pouch for it and the cables.
And yeah, and now we get to the mouth itself. Braided in.
Oh, braided and non-braided. Oh, okay. Yeah. Kasi, experience ko with braided cables, pag dina-drag mo yung... Okay, wait. Let's unbox this first. I'll explain it to you later.
Ooh, I'm really learning here, guys. Okay, there you go. This is the Gladius 2. Okay, that's nice.
Wow, okay. It really fits the mousepad. Anyway,
It's comfortable. I like it.
it has two cables. Braided and non-braided. Experience ko with this braided cables kasi pag sinaksak mo siya. And nakalatag siya dito sa mousepad mo. Pag ginagano mo siya, mararamdaman mo yung drag. Dahil meron siyang braids.
Ah.
So, hindi siya smooth na hindi mo mararamdaman yung keyboard.
Okay.
Kaya may mga bungee. So, hindi siya...
So it doesn't even touch the pad. Okay, I get
So,
it.
yun, kaya meron ding non-braided para mas smooth yung galaw niya with the mouse.
So there you go. See, I'm so glad we have a gamer here. Okay.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have. I usually prefer this because I just don't want it getting tangled.
And mas safe talaga yung wires mo with this.
Let's go for the biggest one here.
Keyboard. I'm so excited for this. I'm really looking for a pink keyboard and now Asus has it. ROG had it.
ROG, yeah. So let's check out the ROG Strix Flare Pink Limited. Okay. Paano ba to? Hindi na ako marunong to.
Here.
Okay, there you go. Oh, it's heavy, man.
Wow! I like the packaging. It's
Oh my gosh. And then, lapot. I failed. Okay, so before we see it, the keyboard itself, you have little stickers. And what's this?
Acrylic?
For what?
We'll see. We'll see.
Okay, and
My eyes!
your eyes and your heart.
Okay.
Okay, dokes. Oh.
It has a wrist rest.
Oh, that's good.
There.
And oh my gosh, ang ganda niya.
Okay.
This is so pretty.
Wow.
And you know what I like about it? It's not the Barbie pink. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love Barbies as a kid, pero I'm not sure if I want it in my, my computer setup. But this looks great.
Okay. So let's put this wrist rest. How do you put it? Wow. It looks good.
It looks good. And there's a mouse here. And
You
that
wearing
here.
this. Okay, so they have multimedia keys here. Window and the rubber, what do you call this? Volume scroll.
Oh,
Volume
cool.
scroll. There. I like it. I like that they put the gray part here. Kasi ito yung mostly ginagamit nyo eh.
Yeah.
So, hindi mo siya makikita if ever madumihan. So, the pink side is here. Wow. Oh!
Nice.
Okay.
This is light up. I'm guessing it does.
And you put the other acrylic there.
Okay.
So you can customize it.
With your name or whatever.
Yeah, your logo and stuff
That's
like
cool. I'm guessing this one lights up here also, no? At the bottom. Yeah. And it does that sound.
Yeah,
so it's
this is-
mechanical.
that. Yeah, Cherry MX bitches. I love it blue. I don't know why. That's my personal preference. But this is red.
I have no preference. I just like the sound.
The sound. Okay, what else? It's matte, all matte. There's like a brush lining here, and also here.
The little details really matter, actually, and the texture. I like that.
There's texture here. And then underneath, it has braided cables as well.
Oh, oops.
ROG logo here, placement. ROG placement.
Okay, there it is. I believe we've unboxed everything, guys. If you're interested, the entire set is 22,800 pesos. So
Good.
So if you're really into gaming, then you may want to invest in that. And yeah, is there anything else you would like to add, Can?
I think I'm good. I'm happy with the product. I like the color and yeah. It's a thumbs up for me.
Actually, I'm hoping that this would be our first episode of Girls Talk Tech. No, because the industry is filled with guys. I mean, good looking as they are, sometimes we just need our estrogen. So thank you, Cam, for being here, for helping me unbox this. And yeah, guys, the details will be in the description box below for these products. Okay guys, so if you want to watch Kang's stream or follow her on YouTube, here are our details.
Okay, so you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Just search Kang Dupet. That easy, Kang Dupet. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you, Cam.
Thank you.
And yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell for the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines. Head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Bye!